Hello everyone, welcoming you to Sourav Sir's Classes, and today we are looking at the IIT JAM 2024 Economics paper, question number 43. Suppose the cash reserve ratio is 5% in the country. Assume that the commercial bank has kept zero excess reserve and the cash to deposit ratio is 5%. To increase the money supply by rupees 10 10 crores and for 10,500 crores, the central bank of the country should inject how much amount? So the cash by reserve ratio is 5% for the country. Usually we can denote this as alpha, correct? And the cash to deposit ratio is 5%. Usually we can denote this by beta. Okay, and the objective is to increase the money supply by rupees 10,500 crores. So change in money supply we need is 10,500 crores. The central bank of the country should inject how much rupees? So this is basically the central bank of the country should inject how many rupees is basically talking about how much of high powered money should the central bank put into the economy. Okay, and if you all recall that the total money supply in the economy is given by the money multiplier times the high powered money, where I'll just write this down. M is the money multiplier and H is the high powered money. Okay, so that means we want to understand that what should be the change in high powered money that will lead to a 10,500 crore rupees of increase in money supply, and that can be found as delta H is equals to delta MS by money multiplier. And how do we define the money multiplier? Here M is basically 1 plus beta divided by alpha plus beta. That is how M is related to the cash reserve ratio and the cash deposit ratio. So if you replace the values, that will be 1 plus 0.05 divided by 0.05 plus 0.05. So that is 1.05 divided by 0.1, that is 10.05. So what is the change in high powered money? So that will be 10,500 crores divided by 10.5. So that is basically 1000 crores that needs to be replaced in the economy. So the correct answer is 1000 crores of rupees should be injected by the central bank into the country so that the overall money supply increases by 10,500 crores. That's your answer. Thank you.